Abiding by Article 216 of the Constitution, the Commission on Revenue Allocation has drafted a new formula which will be used to allocate the minimum 15% shareable revenue collected by the national government. The parameters were increased from the current 5, which are population, equal share, poverty, land area, and fiscal responsibility. The new formula has now introduced development factor and personnel emoluments.
We try to help to bring ceilings, and we have been told we have no business. Never mind, we spend day and night trying to fight to get more money to the counties. But when it reaches there, county assemblies tell us, sasa wachia sisi tukule.
Counties that have immensely benefited under the new formula are Kilifi and Kiambu counties that have now made it to the top 5, while Kakamega will also get more resources than it was previously getting. On the other hand, the use of the new formula will see the bottom 5 counties get more allocations than they previously received. The bottom 5 counties under the new formula are Lamu, Tharaka Nithi, Isiolo, Samburu, and Elgeyo Marakwet County. Under the previous formula, Taita Taveta was among the bottom 5, but has now been replaced by Samburu.
We have 2 levels of allocation. One is between the national government and the county government, and that is what forms the division of revenue bill. That is our next assignment. In the next 3 weeks, we will tell you as a commission how much we recommend.
CRA Chairman Mika Cheserem says formula will be reviewed once the Mining Bill 2014, which allocates 25% of revenue from mining activities to the respective host county, is signed into law.
What the Commission of Revenue Allocation will do, they will now look, after 3 years, they may check that Kwale, their revenue is so high that perhaps you need to reduce the allocation to Kwale. Assume that Turkana was to get 20% of the petroleum. It may be so much money that the Commission will say, for Turkana, they are excluded from the formula because already they are doing well. And for Nyeri, Nyeri now becomes the new poorer county.
The new formula, which will be used in the next 3 financial years, is subject to approval or modification by the Senate. Ronaldo Willie, News Hour Business.